Okay, 360-degree breathing. Draw a circle around your rib cage, right? This is the circle around my rib cage using a band. It's 360 degrees all the way around. And so what we want to practice is being able to breathe and open up the rib cage from all different aspects. So breathe into the front, to the sides, and into the back. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can practice that. So first from the front, just notice where you originate your breath. Just take a deep breath in and then let it back out. So you can pay attention to whether you rise with your chest, whether you rise with your belly, whether your rib cage expands from the front and sides. And what we're going to try to do now is place your hands on the front part of your rib cage. And you're going to use your hands as feedback. So you're going to inhale into your hands. Let the rib cage expand into the direction of your hands. And practice that about 3 or 4 different breaths. Another way you can use feedback is by using this band. It could be any kind of band. It could be a belt, it could be a stretch strap. Anything that gives you some type of tactile cueing. So you'll put it around your rib cage and then crisscross so that you have a little bit of tension coming in. You can feel that pressure into your ribs. And now you're going to inhale where the band is. And then let it back out. And just breathe in and out. And see if you can breathe into the direction of the band. For the lateral rib cage, we'll lie over a pillow. So pillow goes under the rib cage. And then one hand on top of the other rib cage. And now what you want to do is inhale into the pillow and then into the top of your hand. So you get expansion down into the pillow and then into your hand. So this is breathing from that lateral side, or the lateral sides. Inhale, exhale. And you can repeat on the opposite side. Just flip over, put the pillow here, hand on the rib cage, and inhale, exhale. Then posteriorly, we're going to use a band again. Bring it up into the rib cage, not down in the small of your back, but up into the middle of your spine. Crisscross. And then you'll put your hands in this position so you still have a little bit of tension into the band. And now what you're going to do is inhale through the back part of that band where you feel that tension. So you have feedback through the band. Inhale. So you should feel some posterior movement, some expansion through the back of the rib cage. Inhale. Exhale. Another way you can do it if you don't have a band is just in a child's pose. So lie down in the child's pose, and then as you inhale, see if you can expand the same direction. Inhale to the back, and then exhale. Inhale, exhale. And that's 360-degree breathing.